Thunder cracks like a war drum. Rain slices the sky. Bruce Lee climbs a jagged ridge, barefoot, shirtless, soaked. Below him, hundreds of feet of vertical death. The cliff edge is crumbling. Every step could be the last. He grips a wet root, hoists up, muscles trembling. Lightning flashes. The jungle lights up, then black. 0:30 to 1 o'clock. He reaches a ledge, narrow, slick, wind-blasted. One wrong move. He pauses. Listens. But the only sound, storm rage and heartbeats. Then a creak. A massive branch above him snaps. It falls fast. Bruce leaps aside, just misses him, crashes down the cliff. He doesn't flinch. Just keeps climbing. 1 to 1:30. Halfway up, a vine snaps underfoot. His hand scrambles, grabs a crack in the rock. Rain blinds him. The cliff shudders in the storm. A gust pushes him sideways. He plants his foot on a slick stone. Breath sharp. Muscles locked. Bruce low. Not today. He moves like a shadow, fast, precise. No waste. No fear. 1:30 to 2 o'clock. He reaches a wider ledge, breathes heavy. Shelters under a stone outcrop. The storm screams above. He closes his eyes, just for a moment. Thunder rolls. Then a noise. Soft. Wrong. He looks up. 2 glowing eyes. A massive jungle hawk, wings wide. Perched. Watching. Territorial. Angry. 2 to 2:30. It screeches, launches at him, talons first. Bruce rolls left, barely dodges. Bird loops around, dives again. He grabs a loose branch, uses it like a staff. Clash. Wing beats, talons slash. He ducks, spins, staff to chest, hawk flips. It recovers midair, comes again. Bruce swings, misses. Rain blurs vision. 2:30 to 3 o'clock. The hawk charges, he sidesteps, hooks its wing, slams it to the stone. Not dead, just stunned. He doesn't kill. Just breathes. Waits. The bird stares, then flies away into the storm. Bruce looks to the sky. Lightning forks through clouds. He climbs again. 3 to 3:30. Final stretch. Cliff edge slippery. His fingers dig into roots, stone, bark. One last reach. He pulls himself over the top. He stands. Wind whips his hair. Jungle stretches endlessly ahead. He's made it. 3:30 to 4 o'clock. He kneels. Plants a fist to the ground. Silent thanks. He tears part of his pants, wraps a bleeding palm. Then stands. Far off, drums echo through the storm. Another warning. Another path. Another fight coming. Bruce calmly. The higher you climb, the closer danger waits.